all of you. Today you can see the moon in the sky, and this side you can see the sun will rise. Okay, now let us talk something on listening skill. Okay, so listening is a skill which we can develop by practicing. Okay, first of all, we have to pay attention to other speakers. We have to pay respect to other speakers, and we have to be very attentive uh, while we listen to other speakers. We do not have to think. We do not have to think other thing when we speak to some speakers, some important speakers, or all announcements or anything. Uh, it may be news or anything that we want to listen. Okay, when we listen to a song, then also we have to pay attention to it, because in a song there is rhythm, there is lyrics, and sometimes we find that the words are splitted. Okay, in song this is happen because of the lyric or because of the rhythm. So therefore, sometimes we do not get the chance to what recognize the word, but sometimes if we pay attention to it, then we easily understand what the meaning of the line is. So listening is a skill which we have to practice, because when we listen to speakers, then suppose we listen to him or her, but suddenly in our mind something other thing enters, other thought enters, then we are not listening to the speakers, and we just engross ourselves in our own thought, and we distract, we deviates from the speaker, and thus we are not able to catch what the speaker is speaking. So therefore, so we have to be active when we listen to others, especially in classroom teaching. When the teacher is speaking, then students have to pay attention to it. And yes, sometimes we have to write, we have to jot down something, because uh, it will help to see what the teacher is speaking in the long term, in the long period, or after the class. If we do not if we do not write, we may forget whatever we have heard. But this is not usually happen when we listen to something interesting. When we listen to some interesting story, then we pay attention to it, and we listen, we retain it for a long time. But when we find that the subject is tough, subject is uninteresting, then we may forget. Okay, so when we find it not interesting, then we distract ourselves from the subject matter, and then we are not able to uh, retain whatever we have heard, because we have not listened to it. So hear and listen both are different. We may hear some sound automatically, but to listen we have to pay attention, because without attention, without giving effort, we cannot understand, we cannot learn. Okay, so listening is important, because by listening only we will know how other speaker speaks. Okay, then we can also speak like them, So we always have to pay attention to other speakers, how they speak, and how they use the words, how they use the grammar, how they use new words, new vocabulary in their speech. Okay, so we motivate, or we get motivation from good speaker to speak well. Okay, thank you very much. So if you like it, then do not forget to like it and share it, and please subscribe to my channel if you like it. Thank you very much.